फायर फाइटर, कबड्डी रेडर, कॉलेज स्टुडंट, ऑल ॲट जस्ट 19.
माझ्या घरच्यांना खूप प्राऊड फील होतं. लाईक मी इथं एअरपोर्टमध्ये फायर फायटर आहे, त्याच्यानंतर मी कबड्डीसुद्धा खेळते तेच चालू असताना, सगळं कॉलेजसुद्धा करते. तर मग त्यांना खूप प्राऊड फील होतं आणि खूप सपोर्ट करतात मला प्रत्येक गोष्टीत.
At 19, most girls are asked to pick one path. Mumbai's Payal Nigade looked at that question and chose 3. Every day, after her shift as a firefighter at Navi Mumbai International Airport, she heads first to her college and then straight to the kabaddi ground, chasing a dream she is not ready to give up on.
कबड्डीमध्ये मी स्टेट लेवल खेळले, नॅशनलचे कॅम्प करून आले आणि खेलो इंडिया खेळले. कबड्डी मी कधीच सोडणार नाही, तो माझा पॅशन आहे आणि कबड्डीमुळेच मला हा जॉब लागला.
But in a middle class home, dreams come with a price tag. Her parents were supportive, passion is great, but financial security comes first. This advice wasn't the end of Payal's dreams. It was the runway they would take off from. And that lesson soon led her to a call she never expected.
कधी फार असं नव्हतं, पण अचानक स्पोर्ट्समधून वगैरे असं झालं. मला विचारलं की तुम्ही करणार का, कॉल वगैरे आला, मग इंटरव्ह्यूला गेलो आणि
As a firefighter at Navi Mumbai International Airport, Payal stepped into a role very few women choose. The training was brutal, so are duty days. Physical endurance, quick decisions, absolute composure when every second counts. Most people would collapse after a shift like this. Payal, she changes out of her gear and heads straight to her next training ground. A firefighter who saves lives, a raider who never gives up, a daughter making her family proud without giving up on a single piece of herself. She's proof that dreams do not end when responsibilities begin. Sometimes they become the very reason to push harder. This is Payal's Udan ki kahani.